All right, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I already done started this project because I wanted to make sure I had the right tools, and I have no clue what I'm doing today. I'm trying to install this, get it open, this headlight right here on the Ducati. But what is, who cares? I really don't know what I'm doing. So the first thing I've done so far is there was a bolt on the back of here that was attached back behind here. It's a little, y'all ain't gonna be able to see this. There's not enough room. It's like a little bracket right where my finger is pointing where that bolt was. And you lift it off and it came off. But I saw some videos online where it says this should come off too, but I can't seem to get that off. So I'm about to try to figure out how this is gonna go on there. And I think I see how. I gotta loosen that because that looks like that will go here. And that's what holds the whole face on. But on this one, there's a bolt at the top too. So let me start loosening some of these and hope it works out. I'm gonna sit this to the side. So there's a bolt there and a bolt on the other side. Let me figure out what size that is. And some of my Allens are not in here, of course, because they're elsewhere right now. And I'm willing to bet it's gonna be the size I need that's not in here. Please. It ain't that size. So is it this? Yes, I got the right size. All right, let's try to loosen this and hopefully the headlight will come out. Okay, that's one. One up here. Of course you'd be a different fucking size. Because it wouldn't make sense, Ducati, for them all to be the same size, now would it? That would just be stupid for them to be the same size. That wouldn't make it fun, now would it? I honestly don't think I can get enough leverage on that one to turn it. Because I kind of need it in there to break it loose. Damn it. Okay, broke it loose a little. Hope that was enough. It was. Whew. I'm hoping that this is gonna be easier than it looks, because right now I'm a little disappointed. Okay, it's two. There's one on the other side. No, don't you scratch my forks. This is dumb. Yeah, this is stupid. Okay, it feels like it's loose. So I must have done something right. Maybe. Come on, got it. And the headlight, I'm hoping, just comes right out from here. Oh, shit. Thought it did. I thought I had made way. I did not. Where is it stuck? There we go. Okay. So I got the light out, which is right here. Now, all right, got the light out. So I know I'm gonna need this bracket. And I'm going to need these things, but I honestly do not see how those come off at all. It doesn't even make sense. I wonder if they even come off. They're very flexible. These are These are very flexible. I don't think those come off. Now, I bought some different these right here that I want to use. So, I gotta get those off. I gotta get these ones off to put these on. First off, what the? First, let's see if this even fits. 'Cause it may not. I don't really like the way that fits. Nope. I don't actually like these blinkers, so I'm not gonna use them because these don't fit right. So I'll be returning these. I need smaller. Those. Shouldn't have did that. That'll be perfect. Perfect. All right. So what I did was I took this off of Miss Ryda's SSR, and I'm going to give her the better quality ones because you couldn't see her blinkers from behind anyway. So that's going to work out great. So let me get this all taken care of, and then I'll check back with you. Okay, so this took a while. I wired up the new blinkers to right here, and I got them put on there. They didn't want to fit right, so what I did was right under there, I put some double-sided sticky tape, and then I taped the bolt down so it won't move. Also, what I had to do was remove these mounts from this headlight, and the way you do that is you grip the base of the mount, like where it attaches right here. Like it's like this on both sides, this little washer. You grip that with some vice grips, give it one turn and it'll loosen, and then you can screw it out, and then you screw it back down into these. Other than that, all I did was take the other socket, this one, off of this mount and put the new socket on there right there. So now what I'm about to do is put the headlight back on, and then we'll test it out and keep our fingers crossed that everything works. Oh, I'm tired. This took a minute. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. And I got frustrated, which happens a lot when I'm working on stuff. That's why I don't like doing how-to videos and things like that, because I get irritated. All right, so I'm gonna try to, honestly don't know where I should put these, because they are so in the way. Maybe I don't even think it'll fit right there and there. Yeah, let's, maybe it'll stay in there. I have no clue, and I don't know if that light gets hot. I don't know any of that. So we'll see though, won't we? This ain't easy, I ain't gonna lie. This is a pain in my ass. Come on, man, shit. Then this gotta lift up and kind of in to get to the grommets, which does not want to work for me. Got those in. Hope that's how it's supposed to be. Now I gotta get over here and try to line this shit up. And I lost the main plug already. There it is. All right. No, this goes here like that. Plugged it in first. Oh shit, man. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to get the socket in, but it's not a lot of room. Ducati. You couldn't make it easy, could you? Could you? Would have been too hard to make that a simple process. Shit. All right. Now I gotta make sure this side is lined up. All right, and it is. Where did I put the washer? All right, I got one washer. I had one washer. Shit! Tighten that down. I feel like that's good. If it needs tighten more, I'll do it later. Last thing I want to do is break the shit. This project is becoming one hell of a challenge. If it wasn't a challenge, it wouldn't be a project now, would it? Here we go. I feel snug and secure. All right. Okay, I got one more thing to put back on here, and then let me fix this up. Oh, and scratch the front fairing up. I took these out and it was unnecessary. I don't know what I was thinking. I probably should have put those back on while I had the bike off, but I'm not the smartest. Y'all can tell I'm not the smartest. I just said while I had the bike off, not the bike, while I had the front piece off. Let me just get this shit done because I'm getting irritated. Get up in that little stink hole. It is so hot, so let's cut this on and make sure it works. Okay, it lights up. Let's see if the blinkers work. We got one over there. It is so minimalistic, you can barely see it blinking. And the other one works. So let's take it for a quick spin, see how it lights up, and get some B-roll tomorrow. All right, I'll check back with y'all tomorrow. For me, about a second for y'all. All right, so this is the next day, and putting that light on took forever, but I love the look of it. It kind of darkened up the front of the bike because it's blacked out a little bit. And let me show you what this thing looked like turned on. This light is brighter, and it gives that white look, like that white luminescence, whatever it's called. They LEDs. So it's got like that hyper white or hyper blue look. I haven't seen it at night yet, but I love the way it looks. I'm about to go for a spin. The bike is almost done. I think I got like 3 more upgrades for this season that I have sitting in the garage to do, but it's still so much to do to this bike. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. But I'm about to go ride.